1 coffee.
Ooh.
Cheers. Ding.
Nice.
I don't want to make it a chore. Do you understand? So Christmas shouldn't be about having to do it. It should be about wanting to do it. And of course it's nice when it's done, but you want to get everybody involved and have a glass of Baileys and listen to some music. And we've got 3 trees to go up. You know, we've got a lot more to sort of dress this year, haven't we? Because we've got a dining room, and I think we're on about actually having Christmas Day in there. Oh, yeah, look.
Good God.
Around the tree. Yeah, and then there's another tree there, look.
So you have more than one tree, each tree's got presents under it.
Everybody's covered in paper cuts by midday. It takes like 6 hours to open the presents. Honestly, we get up at 4 o'clock in the morning and we all need medical attention.
It will be this year, though, don't worry.
Is this real or artificial one?
Artificial, we don't like real trees.
You get a proper Norwegian spruce going up there, mate. You're amazing.
I don't want a fucking proper Norwegian spruce. Well, I'm going to take this off, put it in and bend it down and then put presents around it and it'll be fine. Everybody stop fucking worried about my tree.
You're not really thought about doing the outside?
There's tasteful decorations. There's dressing your house up tastefully. And then there's covering your house in balls. Like, you know, Christmas balls. You've seen the houses, haven't you? You know, there's like people outside pointing and spitting. I mean, there's more fucking reindeers than he's actually got. They're everywhere. There's lights, there's moving stuff, there's stars, there's people put fucking baby Jesus in the porch. It's just tasteful, please, not overkill. And that's what we're doing here. So you can judge when I've done it. Yes, 3 trees, but there'll be red bows, warm white lights, and presents round.
And what normally happens Christmas Day? Is it big family Christmas dinner?
Yeah, so we normally get up early, open the Christmas presents, the children do, and then my mum will come over for breakfast, and sometimes Guy's mum and Dan, and then lunchtime my brother arrives and my dad and everybody, and so there's normally about 18 of us for lunch, and then everybody stays over, and then they go Boxing Day. So we all have a few drinks and play a few games. It's good. I always used to be stuff like really excited to put the tree up, and then now it just becomes a hassle.
Got 2 yellow lamborghinis, look. I'll go and pick the big tree up now, and then we'll have a look at that, build that up, and if we've got to smash that concrete thing up, we won't. I'm telling you, not to just go crazy. It's like everybody, anybody, you've got a budget, and I don't want people to say, oh, poor old you. Hey, we got 1 fucking ginormous Christmas tree. This bit is important. People don't realise about this bit.
What, putting down the branches?
Yeah.
Very important.
Very important.
I think everybody realises it.
People are watching, is what I'm talking about. Top tip Christmas dresser is spend the time on your bush. Otherwise, nobody likes it too bushy.
It is going to be tall though, that is a thing.
Shut up, everybody!
I'm not saying it's not.
It's not going to look really stupid, it's going to look amazing. In fact, the whole extension was modelled around this tree.
I didn't say it'd be bad, I just said it's a lot of hassle.
Yeah, well, we know it's a lot of hassle, but imagine how far the Christmas feels.
It looks like a tree trunk.
Yeah. And everybody's slagging me. Bend the branches down, put the presents round it, light it up. You've got 3 more levels to go up there. It'll be perfect. This is really not the way you should be doing stuff. Oh, fuck. I've gone too fucking big.
I'm going to go head first then.
Come on, get your head.
I can't like get my head and my arm.
Oh no. Right, go and get me a coat hanger, Harrison. No.
Yeah.
Fuck's sake. It's like that game, isn't it? Can you reach it now, Harrison? Ah, yes. That was it, wasn't it? Fuck.
You put it on
Upside down. For fuck's sake. That's where it goes on there, look.